How will Windows InTune change the IT pros world?
Well, first of all, it will change the world for a lot of people in IT because it's a cloud-based management tool. So instead of having to build your own systems to do client PC management, you can now just use the services from Microsoft and apply them to your client machines directly. So you don't have to worry about buying hardware anymore. You don't have to worry about high availability and uptime because it's always there. And if it fails in one data center, it will just run from another.
Okay, what's your two key takeaways from the session, if you should choose?
Well, it was kind of an overview, but if I have to name two, I would say that the first one is that you can do really good Windows update management from it. So you actually have your Windows Server update services, but then in the cloud. So one thing that's very helpful is that you don't have to be bothered with deploying the binary files for the updates yourself anymore. It's just client computers that connect to somewhere on the internet, and that's one of the things that makes life a little bit more easy. Another thing is the inventories. For example, for software and hardware, you could easily see what kind of assets you own in your company. You can see which kind of hardware which machines own. So for example, you can see all the machines which have only 1 GB of internal memory and decide whether to upgrade that or not. So that's a really fast information you get there.
Yeah, okay. But if the viewers want to further investigate the topic, where should they go then?
Go to windowsintune.com. That's where it starts. That's where you can just decide, where you can see all the features. You can see, you can try you get a trial account, so you have a 30-day free account just to manage 25 machines. But you will get a good idea of what the possibilities are.
Okay. Is it also any forums or blogs that you recommend?
The Windows InTune product team blog is pretty good. They have all the information on what's going on and what the plans are for the next release. So that's a nice one too.